Hello, my name is Kayla McCullough and I work for the Institute for Workplace Research. So the Kentucky Task Force on Aging Workforce reached out to us as they are trying to increase the number of programs and services they can offer to Kentucky retirees. So in order to get an idea of what services and programs are needed, we developed a survey that covered a few different domains. The first domain was life satisfaction, the second domain was retirement activities, the third domain was fears about retirement. So we administered this survey to just over 1,000 Kentucky retirees, and we conducted it over the phone. So we did find a few valuable results that we are going to use as a basis for recommendations and initiatives. So we are happy to report that retirees seem to be very satisfied with life overall. They did report the highest levels of satisfaction with the social aspects of their lives, but this wasn't too far ahead of the sustaining aspects and the living aspects of their lives. So we did also find, interestingly, that women and men have significant differences in their life satisfaction. If you look at the bar graph below, women have lower life satisfaction, especially this is significant when it comes to the social and the living aspects of life. However, they still are pretty satisfied with life, as you can see. So retirees also reported that they spend significantly more time with friends and family and caring for loved ones. And this is an activity that they participate in significantly more than other activities that were listed on the survey. So we also discovered that retirees are bothered by the fear of cognitive decline, and this actually significantly impacts their life satisfaction. They're also bothered by things like lack of time structure and feeling socially isolated, but these do not impact their life satisfaction. So based on these results, we have developed 2 different initiatives that would increase community and really benefit retirees in the state of Kentucky. So our first initiative would be for KTAW to host outings a few times a week that really focus on problem solving and learning new things to build up the cognitive resources. So, as I mentioned before, retirees are bothered by the possibility of cognitive decline, and this influences their life satisfaction. So if there are opportunities to prevent cognitive decline that are lined up for them, this may increase their life satisfaction and may not be as worrisome as an issue to them. So one example of an event would be for KTAW to put together clubs or events where retirees go to conventions or do puzzle rooms. As a group, the retirees would go together and do these puzzle rooms, and that would kind of work as a social initiative as well as preventing cognitive decline. So the second suggestion we have is for KTAW to develop support groups specifically for retirees who have been caring for their loved ones, as caring for loved ones, especially those who are terminally ill, can really affect people in a negative way. So these support groups can be hosted by KTAW, and they can bring in a specialized host who has experience working with these groups. And this would be a really good opportunity for retirees to speak with each other and support each other. So we really hope that KTAW takes these into consideration, and we think it would be valuable for all the retirees in Kentucky. Thank you.